Hi everyone, my name is Vivek Banerjee and I hail from Hava, West Bengal. However, I was raised in different parts of the country since I come from a defense background. I joined Chandigarh Group of Colleges Landran back in 2019 for my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. And after that, I was placed in escorts, but I decided to go for further education. That's why I came back to this college for my master's in business administration. And now currently I'm in the third semester of my MBA in HR and marketing. And I've been placed in Hike Education with a package of 7.6 lakhs per annum.
Hi, I am Keshav Sood from Hoshiarpur district, Punjab, and I am thrilled to announce I have been placed in a Hike Education Pvt Limited company with a package of 7.62 lakh.
CGC has not only provided me with quality education, but also gave me immense opportunities in co-curricular activities, such as I hold the 100 meters university record since 2023, and I have also participated in Career Launchpad, which is basically a placement process of competition, and I was able to showcase my skills and secure third position in that.
I joined this college in 2024 and my experience in this college is amazing till now. The faculty members here just don't teach, they mentor and motivate the students. This campus provides me various opportunities to grow myself and boost my competition in every aspect.
To my juniors, I want to convey that just want to make sure that you believe that you're in the right place and trust the process, as CGC gives you opportunities both inside and outside the classroom. Be consistent, be resilient, and successful flow for sure. I'm proud to be a CGCian.